Okay, I'm back. I've unglued the bottle and I've stuck my lid together, saving a little bit of time on the video. So there you go. There is a 5x5" exploding box. They're a lovely size to work. You can see, there you go, 5 inches. Okay, it is lovely, lovely. And the fun part is the decorating part. Now, I tend to mess about with bits of paper, but I often, I like buying digital kits. This particular kit that I'm using is a Nitwit kit. And I basically took one of the large papers and I've made it 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, so it actually fits perfectly on here. Okay, so that's actually my outside. That's going to be the outside of my box, and then on the inside of my box I have this beautiful plain paper, which is also in the Nitwits kit. I'm trying to remember the name of the kit. I think it's Abigail. I'll have to let you know. I think it's Abigail. I've cut one of these out, which is a pocket. I made these the size I needed. I put on the necessary information and they're going to sit in there, but I'm going to put them on card first because I've only printed them out on linen paper because my printer is not good at printing on card. So that's what I'm going to have on all of my pieces there. There's some others I've done. Okay, they will go in the other pockets. These are digis that I purchased online from Nitwits digis. I believe she's on Etsy now. Lovely, lovely digis. Weddings, birthdays, all sorts. I love them. If not, then I'll just make them up as I go along. This one will have this in here. So it's a case of decorating as you choose. Okay, so this is how I'm going to be decorating. And what I've done is I have these dies. I've cut this die out 4 or 5 times in white, with the last being a toning colour. Okay, and it's going to sit on there. I have some tonic dies here. Mr. and Mrs. and Wedding Day. They're going to go on a couple of the others. They will look like this. Okay, and just stick them on. I love decorating these boxes. And I have this one. Unfortunately, I spent a period of time not keeping my dies in their original packages. Unfortunately, I can't remember where they all come from. I kept the tonic ones in their packets, and I've kept some of my spellbinders in their packets, but when I've bought like poppy dies and memory, whatever they are, I haven't always kept them in. I've put them in plastic wallets, and I'm apologise because I can't always tell you where they've come from. Some I can, some I can't. So I apologise for that. That's it. That's making your box. Similar thing I've done with the lid. I've cut out pieces that I will put down here, like so. And then I'm putting that on top, like so. You can put ribbons, bows, all sorts. I've got an amazing Sue Wilson bow die actually that looks lovely on these boxes. So there you go. I hope that will help you. I hope that you will maybe have a shot at making a 5x5 exploding box. And I will load the finished product in another video when I've put it all together for you to peruse at your leisure. If you do decide to stop by and watch, thanks ever so, it's much appreciated. You could subscribe. The more the merrier, I say. Okay, lovely. Thanks for watching. Bye.